warm, but it's doing this knockety knock. So I don't know if it's just low on coolant or what. But I'm getting 24 volts across both contactors, one in the low and the high stage. All these capacitors I replaced. That start switch or relay was replaced. That was the main problem why I was getting the code 72. Other than that, it seems to be running okay. I'm getting no fault codes anymore, but it's just this thing goes into this. It'll run fine without vibration, and then it kind of starts vibrating a lot for a little bit, and then yeah, see, and I don't like that, so hoping it's just low on coolant. So now it just kicked over to the low side. I'm reading, proper voltages there, and I'm getting this again. So I'm gonna pull the breaker now because I don't like that.